Hi, my name is Pangmaria Niket Tanaji. My topic is cogeneration and regeneration processes. First is what is a cogeneration? The cogeneration is a process that is sequential conversion of energy contained in a fuel into the two or more usable forms. That is, the energy from coal is converted to heat in a boiler to produce the steam. This steam processes electricity in additional provides heats by manufacturing processes. That is gas. Second is a gas is used in a gas turbine to generate it, the electrical energy. The remaining heat is used to produce the steam in a heat recovery, the boiler which can be used for manufacturing process. Thus, a conventional system produces the either electrical or thermal energy, but a cogeneration system produces both the energies. A cogeneration system can either be an in-plant power generation system or a reject heat utilization system. Next is a type of cogeneration power plant. There are basically two types of cogeneration power plant, such as topic cycle power plant and bottoming cycle power plant. This is a cogeneration plant layout. That next is a need for a cogeneration. There is so many needs for cogeneration. First is a cogeneration helps to improve the efficiency of a plant. Second, the cogeneration reduces the air emissions of an particulate matter, nitrous oxides, sulfur dioxide, mercury, and carbon dioxide, which would otherwise leads to greenhouse effects. It third is it reduces the cost of production and improve the productivity. Next is cogeneration system helps to save water consumption and water cost. Cogeneration system is a more economical and compared to conservation power plant. Next is the benefits of an cogeneration. First is a fuel economy. The fuel economy is a higher thermodynamic efficiency of an cogeneration system as compared to separate the power producing and heat producing system. The lower capital cost industry needing the steam has to invest the on a boilers that extra in needed to the upgrade boilers to that electricity can also be generated pretty small as compared to the cost of boilers. Next, the low generator and needs than 6 years to add a thermal generation system, whereas the installation of an cogeneration saving to industry for power cuts and power supply. Next is what is a tree generation? The tree generation is a production of a combined cooling heat and power from a single generation or a processes. The tree generation system produces the electricity and useful heat which is utilized for a hot water, space heating or a steam produced as well as the energy efficient cooling. Tree generation is sometimes referred to as a CCHP or combined cooling heat and power. Next is a need for tree generation. The tree generation power plant does maximum utilization of an power plant. The tree generation sacrifices the need of electricity, processes the heat and the cooling simultaneously. There is a three primary fuels for working fluids for generations and electricity, and the processes heat and cooling, whereas a single tree generation plant uses a single primary fuel for generation three energies. Next is the benefit of an tree generations. First is energy saving, second is reduced environmental impacts, and third is that tree gen can be used either as a main force of a power plant. Thank you.